I'll show you something exciting. Oops! My child's favorite sweatshirt has gotten a couple of stains. It's not an expensive one, but it's dearly loved, and we'd really like to keep wearing it. I feel so embarrassed when she walks around with stains on it. That's why we've decided to go with flowers. Watch what we're going to do. I had to open up the sleeve along the seam. I grabbed a medium-weight tearaway stabilizer and found the center. Then, I placed the sleeve in a lie-flat style right in the center. I also dug through my Puffy leftovers, and they really came in handy. Here we have our Puffy flowers. This set includes several different types of daisies in various sizes. We printed them out and selected the flower that best fits the size of the stains. Let's tear away our Puffy and foam. I used 2 layers of 2 and 3 millimeter foam, but it turned out that you don't really need that much. A single layer of 3 millimeter foam is enough. The most satisfying part is tearing away the foam. And don't worry about any foam remnants sticking out because we'll go over them with a blast of steam, and they'll almost disappear. They vanish completely when worn. Actually, if you steam them really well, they become invisible right away. You'll see this later in the video. Here's the next batch of my flowers. I embroidered double flowers and single flowers. All the stains on the sleeves are now covered with these flowers. Yes, it might seem a bit chaotic, but it's actually very trendy and delightful. My child loves it. The embroidery is scattered here and there across all the sleeves, creating an interesting look. I used gun-old 3mm foam, and it felt a bit dense and was tougher to tear away. I also have some puffy foam specifically for embroidery machines, and it tore away like a charm. It's ideal, of course, to match the foam color to the flower you're making, so the foam remnants won't be noticeable at all. It might seem a bit off at first, but in person, the result is truly magnificent. Steam it thoroughly. Please be careful not to iron the fabric directly, as this will flatten the foam. Just use hot steam and make sure that the fabric can handle the heat without getting damaged. The Puffy embroidery is done in a special way. It's a bit denser than typical embroidery to cover the entire design with satin stitches. Keep this in mind and use adequate stabilization.